Hello everyone, welcome to our channel VR1. Today in this video I am going to explain about the topic integers of class 7 chapter number 1. Integers. What are integers? Integers are a special set of numbers that includes 0. Nothing but it having a both positive numbers and negative numbers along with 0. See here. In the number line it can be represented. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, negative number, 0 and positive number. Together we called as integers. In the earlier classes we have performed addition and subtraction on the number line. Addition and subtraction. For example, if we take 2 plus 1, we have to perform on the number line. See, from 0 we are adding 2 numbers on the right side. 1, 2. Again we have to add 1 towards right, that becomes 3. That means if we adding a number we have to move towards right. If we subtract, so the same number 3 minus 2, that gives 1. See here, 3 subtract madbekare we have to move towards left. 3 in the 1, 2. We got answer 1, that is we have to move left side. Let us start the exercise 1.1. First main. Following figure shows the different places, different temperature in degree Celsius. See, first question they are given, observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. The first one is Lavulspiti. Lavulspiti on the left side of zeros. See, -1, -2, -3, -4 in left hand side moving. So -5, after that -6, -7, -8. Lavulspiti is marked on -8. Next, Srinagar is on the left side of 0, that is of 2 points on the left side, that is -2 degree. -2 degrees Celsius. And that is Shimla. Shimla in the right side of the 0 of 5 points, that is +5 degrees Celsius. After that, Ooty is marked on after the 10 on right side on 4 points, it becomes 14. And last one is Bengaluru. On the right side of zeros towards after the 20 of 2 points, it becomes 22 plus 22 degree. And second sub question, what is the temperature difference between hottest and coldest places among the above? In the given picture, the temperature of hottest place is Bengaluru. So Bengaluru and the coldest place is Lavulspiti. They asked for the difference. Difference means subtraction. We have to find the difference of hottest and coldest. Hottest is Bengaluru having 22 degrees Celsius and coldest is Lavulspiti of -8 degrees Celsius. We have to find the difference. It was 22 degree minus of -8. That becomes 22 minus into minus, it is +8. That gives 30 degrees Celsius. The difference between the hottest place and the coldest place is 30 degrees Celsius. And third sub question, what is the temperature difference between Lavulspiti and Srinagar? Again they asked the difference between Lavulspiti and Srinagar. Lavulspiti is having -8 degree and Srinagar is -2 degree. The difference between Lavulspiti and Srinagar difference is equal to Lavulspiti having a -8 degrees Celsius and difference means subtraction of what? Srinagar. Srinagar having -2 degree. So that becomes -8 minus of minus plus 2. If we having a number minus and plus, we have to subtract. One minus one plus iddaga subtract madbekagutte. 8 minus 2 becomes 6 and we have to put the largest sign. Largest number is 8 having minus. So answer is -6 degrees Celsius. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than temperature at Srinagar? Okay. Now they asked for temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿ is less than the temperature of Shimla ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಶ್ರೀನಗರ್ and ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಶ್ರೀನಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಶ್ರೀನಗರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ -2 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಈಸ್ +5 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ? ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ +5. If you simplify these two, minus and plus becomes -5 to the 3, it having a sign of +3 degree is compared to +5 degree. Here both the numbers having plus, so compare these two, get Shimla is greater. In a quiz, positive marks are given for a correct answer and negative marks are given for an incorrect answer. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, +15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So Jack scored 5 successive rounds. ಒಂದೊಂದು round ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. In the first round they had 25. After that -5. After that -10, +15 and +10. 5 successive rounds ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 different marks ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So if you add all these numbers, 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. So we have two signs of a single number. We have to simplify that first. 25 plus into -5 -10 plus 15 plus 10. Now 25 minus 5 is 20 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Again 20 minus 10 is 10 plus 15 plus 10. Again 10 plus 15 is 25 plus 10. Finally the total score of Jax is 25 plus 10 is 35. Next, third question. At Srinagar temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? According to the question, at Srinagar on Monday it is -5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. It is dropped means ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So -5 ಇದು again -2 ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So the temperature on Tuesday is first they are having -5. Again it drop ಆಗಿದೆ, means minus subtract ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? 2 degree Celsius. 2 degree. Then the answer is -5 -2 becomes, when the number having both minus, we have to add the numbers. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. The greatest number is 5. It having a sign minus. So the temperature on Tuesday is -7 degree Celsius. Again they gave a question. Again on Wednesday it is rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Is 4 degrees Celsius increase agide. Then the temperature on Wednesday is already having -7 degrees Celsius. Again it is rose by, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು? 4 degrees Celsius. That means nothing but +4. The answer is, again here we have two numbers on opposite side, minus and plus. We have to subtract the numbers. 7 minus 4 is 3 degrees Celsius. The sign of bigger number is 7 having minus. The temperature on Wednesday is -3 degrees Celsius. So number 4, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Here the plane is flying at 5000 meter above the sea level and a submarine is floating 1200 meter below the sea level. They ask you to find the vertical distance between them. So vertical distance between the plane gu matte submarine gu irutta distance estiде. See, from sea level it having a distance of 5000 meter. Here from sea level it having a 1200 meter. So ಎರಡು vertical distance ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we got 5000 plus 1200, that is 6200 meter distance between plane and submarine. Next, the question 5th. The Mohan deposit rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraw 1642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So, according to the question, Mohan deposit rupees 2000 in his bank and the next day he withdrawal rupees 1642. If withdrawal amount is represented by negative integer, the amount deposited represented by is question mark. Means here the withdrawal taking amount will be negative means we have the amount deposited will be positive integer. Again they ask for the balance amount in the bank. Balance means total final amount will be 2000 minus withdrawal. Withdrawal is 1642. If we subtract these two, we get 2000 minus 1642. 8, 5, here carry 9, 9, 3. 358 rupees in his account. Next, 6th. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards the east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards the west along the same road. If the distance towards the east is represented by the positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Next, the 6th. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards the east from point A to B. Here, Rita goes 20 kilometers from A to B, that is towards east. Again, she moves 30 kilometers towards west. Again, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. Same road. ಯಾವ road ಇಂದ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ A to B ಗೆ 20 kilometers, ಅದೇ road ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ towards west ಗೆ 30 kilometers move ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then, if the distance moved towards east ಗೆ, if I take this as number line as 0, if the distance moved towards east is represented by positive, then the distance moved towards the west ಗೆ move ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆ, if the distance moved towards the west is represented by is negative integer, means it goes left side of 0, that is negative part, it is represented as negative integer. Then the final question is, the integer represent her final position. The integer final position ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ position ಯಾವ integer ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. See here, first she moves towards 20 kilometers towards right side. Again she moves left side, that is negative of how many kilometers? 30 kilometers. Then it becomes plus 20 and minus 30. 1 plus 1 minus the subtraction. 20 minus 30 or 30 minus 20 is 10. The largest number or the bigger number is 30 having minus. Therefore the answer is minus 10. The integer represented by final position is minus 10. Next, question number 7. In a magic square, each row and column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Magic sum. So, along with rows, along with columns, we have to add. See, first, if we add rows, that is 5 plus of minus 1 plus of minus 4. It gives here 5 plus into minus 1, again plus into minus 4. That gives 5 minus 1 is 4, again minus 4, that gives 0. The first row sum is 0. We can write here 0. Similarly, the second row, minus 5 plus of minus 2 plus of 7. Here minus 5 plus into minus 2, again plus 7. When the numbers having both minus, we have to add, that is 7, greatest number is minus, then plus 7. Plus 7 plus minus 7 is 0. Similarly, second row also, the sum is 0. Third row, 0 plus 3 plus of minus 3. 0, 3 plus into minus 3. That gives 3 minus 3 is 0. Similarly, we can perform for column also. See, first column C1, that is 5 plus of minus 5 plus 0. That is 5 minus 5 plus 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. The first column answer is also 0. Similarly, second column, minus 1 plus of minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 becomes plus, minus 3, again plus 3. We got 0. Similarly, third column, minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. When the numbers having minus and plus, we have to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. Greatest number is plus. Again, remaining number is 3. Plus into minus minus, 3 and 3 is 0. Along that, we can perform also diagonal. Diagonal having 5 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 3. 5 minus 2 minus 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So the magic sum is 0. We can perform for all the directions, rows, columns and as well as rows. Next, the question number 8. Verify a minus of minus b equals a plus b for the following values of a and b. First question, a is 21, b is 18. So we have to verify the equation. Equation they given as a minus of minus b equals a plus b. We have to prove that LHS equals RHS with the given values of a as 21, b as 18. If I put a value 21 minus of minus b value is 18 equals a value is 21 plus b value is 18. If I simplify, we can easily simplify the right hand side because both numbers are plus. 21 plus 18 is 39. Similarly, here we can put minus into minus plus 18, then 39. 39 equals 39. Next, second sub question, if the a value becomes 118, b value becomes 128, we have to verify. That is 118 minus of minus 125 equals 118 plus 125. 118 minus of minus 125 equals 118 plus 125. The next step is similarly as below, as before, minus into minus plus 125 equals 118 plus 125. If we add these two, 8 plus 5 becomes 3, carry 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, again 1 plus 1 is 2. 243 equals 243, that is nothing but LHS is equals to RHS. Hence, it is verified. Next, ninth question. Use the sign of greater than, lesser than or equals to in the box to make the statement as true. First question, minus 8 plus of minus 4 blank, minus 8 minus of minus 4. We have to fill this box with the greater than, lesser than or equals to. First, we have to simplify the equation, then we can apply which sign suits for this statement. See, minus 8 plus into minus minus 4. Minus 8 minus into minus becomes plus 4. Here, when the numbers having both minus, we have to add, that is 12, greatest number is minus. Here, minus 8 plus 4. When minus and plus becomes subtraction, 8 and 4, 4, greatest number is minus. Compare these two, we get which is greater and which is lower. If I put this on the number line, first it comes minus 4, after that minus 12. Therefore, minus 4 is greater than. Right side positive, that means larger number will be on the right side. So, minus 4 is larger. The next question, that is minus 3 plus 7 minus of 19, box 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9. If you simplify this, minus 19, 15 minus 8 plus into minus minus 9. We can simplify two numbers at one step. Minus 3 plus 7 becomes plus 4 minus 19. Plus 15 minus 8 becomes 7 plus 7 minus 9. If we subtract these two, we get 15. Greater number is 19. It having a minus. If we get these two subtracted, 9 and 7, we got 2. Greatest number is minus. Therefore, minus 2 is greater. Next, see, 23 minus 41 plus 11 dash 23 minus 41 minus 11. If you subtract these two at first step, 23 minus 41. So greatest number in the smallest number subtract multiply, we get 18. Greatest number having minus 18 plus 11. 23 minus 41. Again similarly as this step, we got 18 with greatest number minus, again minus 11. 18 and 11, it having a opposite sign, we have to subtract. 18 minus 11 is 7, 0. We got greatest number is minus. We have two numbers on minus, we have to add. 8 1 plus 1 is 9, 1 plus 1 is 2 with having a sign minus. So here we have minus 7 is greater compared to minus 29.